Dili. Ato mag-deliver. Ang model ba? Kakadidit ba? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, takaw niya. Unong niya. Tuyok ba? Pusing ba? Wata 3, go. Wala, medyo ba? Dali.
Ay, dili. Sa kuha na yun.
Ay. Sakta wala. Wala dito. Apil ba na sila? Wala.
How to learn the IT era refers to the period of rapid advancement in information technology, IT, where computers, the internet, and digital communication have transformed in industry and daily life.
Hi ma'am. Kung na-learn about sa IT era or information technology is kiun sa pag-revolutionize sa internet sa mga computer o kiun sa nato pag how we interact sa uban pareha ng Facebook, Instagram. Ayan na. Peace out.
Living in the IT era or information communication technology is important because it makes things faster and easier. It allows us to store and share information, connects with people, and do tasks smoothly. It also helps business run smoothly, makes learning better, and creates new jobs. It connects people and keeps us up to date with changes in the world. Without IT, many things we do today would be much harder.
So, living in the IT era is about how technology, especially information technology, affects our daily lives. It covers topics like internet, social media, cybersecurity, digital communication, and how businesses, education, and healthcare rely on it. This topic helps people understand the benefits and challenges of using technology in the modern society.
Living in IT era is important to me because I learned to use computer and using mobile device and social media and explore and other technology apps and websites and easy to make communicate with everyone. Thank you.
Empty streets, but I kept searching for your traces.